What's up, people? We are back for another backtesting session. Today is June 3rd, 2025, and let's go right into it. So I'm backtesting currently the London Silver Bullet. I want to backtest 2 years so that you can see the win rate it offers. Then I'll go to the New York AM. I don't think I'll backtest the New York PM because I don't know, I don't have much time. I don't know if I can trade that time because most of the time it's not on the laptop, because it is at that time it's 8 p.m. our time and it's almost at the night, so I have other things to do, so I won't be backtesting that. So let's go to the next Silver Bullet session for London. Great. So what do I want to see? It's either we create a break of structure here, or we create a market shift here, and any fair value gap formed after that we enter right after it. So let's go. Right, we're shifting, but no gap so far. Great, first gap offered. So where is the retest? Okay, come on, just a small drop into it. All right, that is what we are looking for. Then we take our buy right here, stop loss here, and yeah, TP. I think I'll keep the TP open for the moment. Anyways, trade his stop loss. So the next session, 1 and 2 3 right here. Great. Okay, so we see a shift right here, which means we can trade the continuation if the gap is valid. So gap invalidated. Let's see. Okay, this looks like a no entry day. Sure. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, we have another block right there. Looks like it's persisting. Right, we respect it and continue pushing higher, and we form a really large fair value gap. So can we enter right here and target the upside after this sweep and trade the continuation, like a long stop loss right here just below, then we target these highs. Let's take a small risk here. Okay, good. Oh, come on, in one drop, no delay, and it directly goes to take profit. So dumb. Yeah, right, so let's go to 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, we have no fair value gap presented on the 5M, so no entry today. So I think here we can trade the continuation if you get a retracement to this fair value gap. Okay, so do we get one? So we don't. Commence no trade for that day. because we would have entered on some other blocks right here, but we are trading the silver bullet, so we should only go with fair value gaps. Great, so I don't know if this was an opportunity, because I mean it occurred before this shift, so I don't know if I could have taken this entry. No, but it would have been a good one. Great, so let's go to the 1 and 2 and 3. It's funny how this strategy doesn't even require any daily bias. It's crazy. Great, so we push higher. I think here we'll trade just a continuation. So we get a fair value gap retest and we are in. Alright, here. Enter. Stop loss right there. Few fifths below. We can target this high right here, which gives us 1.4, or even target somewhere else to get a full 1 to 2. So let's see how this candle closes. Yeah, let's enter on this one and take some small risk here. Oh, come on. You can't be serious. Buy a pip. Seriously, buy a pip. So you mean that our stop loss should have been just right here to get there? I'm so disappointed. Getting stopped out by a pip. I think it was half a pip actually. It's a crazy one. But other than that, it was a good trade. Maybe we didn't know where to target, but this 2R would have been good. I would have given a 1.5, and as you can see later on in the day, provided even a bigger entry. So if we elongated it right here, it continued delivering. So yeah, not really bad. Anyways, let's go to the 1, the 2, and 3. Next silver bullet session. Okay, wait, this is the morning. So the New York silver bullet. Good. So this was the perfect. Come on, why are you arriving at 10? 1, 2. Oh, great. Wow. Take off these lows, shift. Crazy movement on this day. So you can see a fair value gap retest right there. So should we enter? I have doubt, because I don't really like these kinds of setups, but let's wait and see how it delivers. Yeah, Okay, let's see what we see here. Okay, we take out the high, do a shift, no fair value gap so far. We create one, we retest it, let's see how the candle closes. Great, disrespected it, so should we trade the continuation? Let's wait and see. Moment of truth. One, two, three. I think we missed this trade because it would have been a good one, but stop out. 1, 2, and 3. This one looks like a no entry day. Yeah, we're done. We're still in November. All the fair value gaps being created are being committed directly. No silver bullet. So let's do the backtesting. Let's continue. One, two, three. Okay, you can see now the shift, the BOS here. So here I think I'll enter for a continuation to the upside. Let's risk it. Okay, 1 to 2 to get this high. And how does the forward look like? Forward looks a bit bearish, but we can make a shift. Let's see if we can. And how about the daily? It's also bearish. What makes you think that the day would reverse? Let's see how this kind of closes and then we'll decide. Closes quite good. This candle that closed out of the fair value gap killed it all. Another good entry, which we didn't take. 1 and 2 and 3. Or block. Break past it. Great. Fair value gap for continuation. Oi. Should have entered here. Anyways, this would have provided a good entry, trust me. Buy here. Stop loss of obviously it will be somewhere right here, and the 1 to 2 will be delivered fast. And even you take this high, good. You can even let's see if you can reach that one. Yeah, we didn't take out that high, but you can see that the 2 hour we are looking for in entries. It's always delivered. 1, 2, 3. Good. Shift in structure. Did we get an FVG retest? FVG retest. Let's see how the candle closes. Not quite good for an entry. Yeah. Good we didn't take that one. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, looks like we're about to shift structure here. Do we? Okay, no trade day. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good shift. Fair value gap retest. Good. Let's see how the candle closes. Closes nicely in the fair value gap, and this one will give us a good entry. Stop loss right there. Target 1 to 2. Let's take us like 0.5. Like the point of trading is risk, so I risk small. Okay. This and see. And we get filled right away. So yeah, and you can also hold. I think it will continue pushing higher. Oops. Yeah, this was what we should take from the market. That was all. You can also have targeted this high. Also would have provided a good, or how about this one? Nope. Don't. Anyways, good trade. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. Come on. This is what I want. Okay, shift. Fair value gap. Retest before the time window. Let's see how the candle closes. Okay, this next one is not offering good entries. This one's at 4. No, don't enter first time. The next 1, 2, 3. Right. What do you see here? Ah, come on. Why isn't it pausing? such a disappointment. You can see that we took out the small low, we shifted the structure right here. No fair value gap was retested in here, except for here. So let's see if it doesn't cross this low, then it has respected the gap. Well, it comes into this one right here, which means you can enter here, close there, take profit there, and yeah, I guess that will be it. Take the screenshot. Great. Come on, push, 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 push. Great. And so we can move on to plus to BE. Let's see which high is being targeted. So we took out this one. How about this one? Right here. And that will give us a 2.14 hour. Great. You can see that it was taken out. This high right here. And what will be the next target? So I'm taking out the next target will be this one. Let's close profits right here. This is enough. Let's not be greedy again, because we've been greedy multiple times. One, two, three. Okay. Shift, fair value gap respected before, small shift here, entry right there. Let's see how the candle closes. Okay, looks like it's respecting, which means buys are active. Buys. Well, quite a big stop loss target here. Oops, small target, but I think this is a market maker buy model. This will give us 1.5, but if we had entered early somewhere here, then 2.5. Anyways, let's take the entry. So directly stopped out. Now there is 1 and 2 and 3. Great, so push higher. No presented fair value gap yet. We shift here, as you can see. So do we test the gap or not? Gap retested. Let's see how the candle closes. And this next one, you can see it respects the gap and pushes higher. Oh, this one was a really good one. Shift here. Let's see if it provides the full 1 to 2 just for the purpose of forward testing. 1 to 2 right here, and I think it will reach there. I mean, why not? Sideways, dancing around. In the end, you'll reach there. See, in the end, we touched TP as we wanted. Anyways, we didn't take that one, but it was a nice tapered 1, 2, 3. this is not a day we will trade, so I think this is the time where we get off the charts. Can't trade something like this. One, two, three. Good. I'm still saddened by that small entry that we missed. Let's see. Do we shift or do we sweep? This day isn't providing anything. Trust me. Nothing at all. One, two, three. Small shift. I mean POS right here. Structure shift. Do we see one? Oh no. Yeah, no entry again. One, two, three. Okay, shift. Finally. So you get a fair value gap retest. Wanted to retest the most top one, but we didn't get it. Well, we think it should drop from here. Let's see how this looks like. Like drop all the way down, but this would be a really big stop loss, so I'm not taking that. I'm sorry. But this would have been a really big one, because our entry would have been somewhere here. Stop loss there. Take profit 1 to 2. I don't think it will be provided. Let's just wait. Yeah, change of plans. Disregard my words. Anyways, yeah, let's continue. 1 and 2 and 3. Great, so wait for a shift or a break of structure. Fair value gap will enter. Right, see, shift, fair value gap, take a long there, stop loss there, take profit 1 to 2, nothing big. How about we risk 1%? Let's risk 1%. Let's go back to 1% risk. So fair value gap has been disrespected because we dropped. Let's see how this kind of closes before we judge. But you see, disrespected. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's a sweep, that's not a shift. Candle closes are not correct. Yeah, we're getting chopped up. This will be the real shift and a retest. Then we'll give a buy, but it's out of the silver bullet. But it will be a valid one. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, come on. Okay, right here. that's a sweep, that's not a shift. Okay, shift, retest the gap. Okay, it's never had up to that. Let's play it, let's go to the third one. 1, 2. Okay, so here we are. And we shift to that. It is a shift to get a fair value gap presented. So whenever I decide to risk more, that's when the market goes against me. Don't know why. It's 28th December 2023. London session. London session. We're in a fair value gap. Well, the entry was provided at 4.5, so I don't know if we could enter here, but this was a good one. And 1, 2, and 3. Shift, fair value gap. Okay, shift again, fair value gap. Very good drop. Is gonna give more pips than the drop here. Let's see. Yeah, but the entry and the time zone. Yeah, I guess that was all for today. I'll keep backtesting. I'll keep losing more and learning more. So until we meet again, peace.